It's 7 p.m., January 1st. You told yourself, this is it. The year you finally hit your goals. The year you get the freedom you've always dreamed of. The year you finally build something real. So you're sitting at your desk, laptop open, working on your new business. At least, that's what you told yourself. But now it's 3 hours later. 48 YouTube videos deep. Zero progress. Nothing achieved. Most people want to get fit. Most people want to build a successful business. But most people won't. Why? Because their brain is bleep dead. And if your brain is bleep dead, then you're bleep dead. Part 1. You're distracted. Focus is the foundation of everything great. It's the ability to give 100% of your energy to one thing. But if you can't focus, you're distracted. And let's be honest, we're all addicted to distractions. How often do you scroll? Check your phone? Open 5 tabs just to stay productive? You're training your brain to need constant stimulation. And with a brain like that, how the bleep are you supposed to build anything meaningful? Here's step 1. Turn off your phone. Leave it in another room for 24 hours. You'll quickly realize you're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to distraction. Break the addiction or forget about your goals. 30-day protocol. Each day is broken into 30-minute blocks from 1 a.m. to midnight. Track what you do in every block. Every single one. By the end of 30 days, you'll have the data. You'll see where your time goes. And you'll realize just how much pointless bleep fills your life. Then cut it out. Simple, brutal, effective. Part 2. You're confused. Most people don't know what they want. And if you don't know what you want, you'll never know what to do. That confusion, that's the anti-zone, where motivation exists, but direction doesn't. And people spend their whole lives stuck there. To escape it, do one thing. Get into the zone. Entering the zone. You felt it before. When time disappears. When the outside world fades. When you're locked in. Maybe it was a game. Maybe it was work. But you were focused. Deeply. That's the zone. And it's not magic. It's structure. Here's how to get there. Step 1. Decide exactly what you want. Don't overthink. Just sit. Think. Find the answer. Step 2. List the steps to get there. Step 3. Take action daily. Progress equals momentum. Momentum equals the zone. Stay locked in. No distractions. No confusion. Just movement. Part 3. Your diet is bleep. Your brain runs on inputs. Food. Sleep. Movement. Bad inputs equals bad performance. Simple math. Ever read a page and instantly forgot it? That's not a concentration problem. That's a fuel problem. If you eat like bleep, you'll think like bleep. And if you think like bleep, you're not building anything great, ever. Your body is the vehicle. Your goals are the destination. But if your vehicle is broken, you're never getting there. So stop ignoring the inputs. Feed your system right. And the outputs, clarity, focus, drive, will come effortlessly. Final message. You want to change your life? UNF*CK your brain. Cut the distractions. Find your goal. Fix your inputs. Then move daily. No more scrolling. No more guessing. No more excuses.